This video is all about hydrogen and starts on page 14 of your gases booklet. You should already have watched the video Hydrogen Gas in YouTube. This is the diagram of the apparatus we used to collect the gas. We made it by reacting hydrochloric acid with a coil of magnesium ribbon. The gas produced passed through the delivery tube all the way up and bubbled through the water-filled test tube. A nice, neat diagram of quite a large size should be copied into page 14. Stop the video now if you want to get a picture of your diagram. We used magnesium ribbon. Some metals would be far too reactive, such as potassium and sodium. Metals which would have produced hydrogen gas far too slowly might have been iron or tin. But magnesium is perfect. Zinc would have been slower, calcium maybe a bit too fast, but it would still have given the same result. From your viewing of the video on hydrogen gas, you should have filled in this whole table, and I hope that you spotted the best test for hydrogen. There's a video in the General tab in the Form 2 teams called 3 Gas Tests, which recaps hydrogen, carbon dioxide and oxygen gas. Just like helium, hydrogen is a gas which is much lighter than air. And there's also a video involving a large airship called the Hindenburg, which famously crashed. It's also in the tab files in the General tab in Form 2 teams. Hydrogen is produced when any reactive metal reacts with any acid. It always makes a salt, just exactly the same way that the salts were made when we made carbon dioxide by reacting a carbonate with an acid in the last lesson. Any reactive metal, that is magnesium, calcium, potassium, sodium, zinc, would be doing this too, react with any acid, makes a salt and hydrogen. This general reaction allows us to know all about this reaction without knowing any specific examples. We could prove that a salt is made by evaporating all of the water. The salt is dissolved in the water, and we evaporate the water to leave a solid, white, crusty substance behind. This is an experiment we will do in class sometime.